that RC just swinging in the wind. So graceful, so beautiful. It's poetry in motion. While on this right side, we've got 1243, the Dragons from Swartz Creek. They're picking up some notes, bringing that landing zone. Overall, just getting one wild. And in this blue zone, we've got some hearts on the ground, hearts on the ground. Looking pretty cool. But the row still works with the hearts on the ground. At 70, looks like they might have a double. They've got an RC with some layers just chilling right next to it. And the Dragons down here on this red line, they've got a quad. Where are they gonna put it? Location, location, location. On the scoring platform is where they get their points. And now on this blue side, we've got 70. Looking like they're gonna try and make some moves. RCs. And with a minute left, we've got some more litter flying. Duck, dodge, dip, dive, and dodge. Good catch. Thank you, sir. Yeah! Wow! I got both colors now. 54-60. Looks like they're going to try and throw up a single. While 1243, the Dragons, they lost the ground ball after that. Those are mucho points. And with 20 seconds left, our match dwindles down to its final 14 seconds. The Dragons approach this unstable territory. And as